Yes, I'm doing well. My name is Mimi. This is Mimi Nekaka TV. If it's your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notification bell. Don't forget to share, to comment, to like, to help Mimi Nekaka TV to grow and grow. Bonjour ma famille, vous allez bien? Biso tabi na ngola nzambe. Kola zo batela na ye tolamuki bien. Kombo na ngeza Mimi, soko tala nka ameno s'abonner, te zo opportunité s'abonner. Pe soko s'abonner ko bosa na cloche notification po to zo aka pa vidéo na ngai. Toza bien mais kaka moi grippe ndezo beta biso. Moi grippe esa biso ndako mobimba wa. Grippe etu sa biso papa mama na bana, mais na ngola nzambe ça va. Tolamuki bien, to mo tonga lelo mi bazungolo te. Yeah, we are all fine in the house, in the family. Just we got cold, we got flu, everyone in the house not feeling well. We got cold, we got cold and flu, something like that. But by the grace of God, we are doing well. Just I have a bit worried since last Friday. My washing machine is not working. Can you imagine 9 people in the house without washing machine? It's no easy for us. It's no easy for us. Now how to yeah, luckily our washing machine is insured. We're gonna just call the insurance number. We're gonna just call the insurance number to come there to fix our washing machine. But it's not easy. We used to have we have to have a laundrette at local center, but it's closed. I don't know why. If it was working, I'll bring all my clothes there, then go to wash. Donc, toza machine na biso ezali assuré. Tokobengaka bato assurance bakoya mpona kwa assurance po baya ko eza assuré, donc tofutela yango chaque mois. Bakoya po baya kobongisa yango. Donc eza facilité 9 personnes bokoki koimagine 9 personnes na kati ya ndako. Toza na machine te. Depuis vendredi il faut kosuka bilamba baya school babede badra tolongolaka chaque week. Donc bilamba eza kotonda kosala na kolakisa bino bilamba ndenge bilamba etondi. Tozali na laundrette na biso na loko center na biso wana mais baofungola te mikolo. So bakufungolaki na ngai maka kuna na sukoli na kausi na yeka na ndako na this is all my sheet, you know. The sheet we took the sheet we took the last Saturday. All the sheet is there, you know. I'm gonna just soak it in the bath, then wash bit by bit. I can't wash all of them. Donc bilamba tolonga sheet tolongo like samedi yango wana. Donc na kosukola ngo sumbala mo te na mano chaka ndamu nda na kosukola ngo ndamu nda mpona kokate ba sheet oyo na kosoka na kati ya nini na salle de bain ndela banda na kosukola ngo. Donc mbala moko boye na kokate. Can you see another clothes is here in the basket? There is the sheet. Here is our clothes everywhere. You know, this is the basket is full of clothes. I need to soak it. I need now to start soaking the bucket to leave it maybe for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna start washing. Bilamba msusu yango oyo eza na kati ya base oyo. Na yesu kuna cha na kati ya ya cantine. If on a tap and then at the time, I put manda konika nikango. And to na Congo, we back home. We have to wash clothes by hand. Sometimes we need to back where we come from. You know, we was washing clothes every single day by hand. But when you came here, no hand anymore. Just washing machine. Sometimes siko to na Congo, to wash bilamba na maboko. Donc na suko bilamba. Look my clothes. It's a lot. Bilamba tonja donc nzama pesa makasi na eba na sukola ngo. Yeah, can you see now how our machine is working? We're gonna call the company. They're gonna come to fix our washing machine because it's insured. We're gonna call them to come to fix. I am struggling. I don't know. Moment de bukanit, eloko ebimi donc moyen bilambe seni kama exactly. We can't wash clothes because it's broke down. We're gonna call the company, then they're gonna fix it there to come to fix it. Now I'm struggling. I don't know. I'm gonna now start washing my clothes every single day. I got plenty of clothes to wash. Naza bilambe bela ko sukola donc na obenga to benga bango. Baya obongisela biso yango donc moya kosukola bilamba eza te. Yeah, now I put my water in the bucket with washing powder. I need now to start I need to put now my clothes in the I need now to soak my clothes in the bucket. I'm gonna leave it for about for 1 hour, then I'm gonna start washing. Sikoma ya savon na yango wana che na so na ucha siko bilamba na machine après na koyeba na unika ngolo ngamo basalite bona koyeba na unika. I'm gonna just wash here in the kitchen because when I finish straight away I go to line up on the outside. But about my sheet before you go to bed, I'm gonna soak it in the bath. When everyone finished to have a bath at night, then I'm gonna soak it overnight in the bath. Then early morning I'm gonna take it out. Pona badra na ngai na okikutika na ko changu na butu ta basisi ko sukola na ochola kati ya salle de bain na ngai wana. Après na olamka tongo pona eba na kolongola pona pesa bato accès ya ko sukola. Yeah, now I soak my clothes in the bucket. I have to leave it for a while, then I'll start washing. So when I go tremper bilamba na kati ya cantine, na otika mo muke elonga mo basalite après nde na banda sikoyo ko sukola bilamba na ngai. Tant poza ko sukola bilamba ko sangisa bilamba ya pembe te faut pona mo ba couleur o sukola na place nango ya pembe pe o sukola na place nango pour garder bilamba na yo. When you wash your clothes like this, don't mix with white clothes. You need to select the bright one. You wash a part, then the white one you wash you wash it a part. If you mix white and color, you know you're gonna mess up your white clothes. It's better to spare white and the color. Don't wash it all together, please. Yeah, now I'm washing my clothes. I know I've managed I'm gonna wash everything, then to put everything in place. I wash it in the kitchen because when I finish straight away I go to the garden, then to drop to put it on the line, washing line. That's why. But sheet I'm gonna bring my sheet in the bath. When everyone finished to have the bath, then I'm gonna wake up in the morning to take off from the bath to give anyone access to have their bath. Yeah, now sukwa na maboko tozangi na Congo. Na Congo tunanosukwa bilamba na maboko. Remember, back home we used to wash clothes by hand. Why not? If your washing machine is broken, you can wash by hand. It doesn't matter. Just to motivate one mom who have a problem as me. Washing machine is broke down. You can wash your clothes by hand instead to leave it your clothes and wash. Once I finish, I'm gonna go to dry it outside to put on the line, on the washing line. So na sisi na okende kotana ngo libanda po eba nako kauka. Tozo na Congo, tozo suka bilamba na maboko. E osana ngo loko te boya ba ngo bomsango. To benga ba bomsango. We call them to come to fix it. But it took a bit long, maybe for 2 weeks to come to prepare. Now I'll try my best. As you know, it's not easier. It's not easy to wash. It's been long to wash a lot of clothes by hand, but I don't have choice. I have to wash my teeth and clothes, my husband's clothes, myself. I don't have choice. I'll do it my best. Naza shwa telefona sukola po suna vina tika boe to suka wapi. Baya na mbongsa ma tezo wa mwata me baya ko changer, baya ko bongsango. Now I need to, once I finish to wash, I'm gonna rinse it, then put it outside on the line clothes. So na 6 hours, na ko rinse yango après, na misango libanda pona ba na ko rinse bilamba na. Yeah, I feel a little bit chilly. I feel a little bit chilly. I would like to drink some tea. It's a green tea. I love green tea. It's good. Green tea got a lot of benefits. If you drink green tea, it's good for your skin, for digesting, for lose weight. It's got a lot of benefits. I feel a bit chilly. That's why I need to warm up myself with my cup of tea. This is a green tea. That's why I'm warming up my myself. Now I have more cup of tea. Where's that green tea now? Me la. Pour nous qui m'ont malé muke. Dans une chauffe une auto. Green tea ça bien va bénéficier belé. Ça bien pour la peau, ça bien pour la digestion. Ça bien pour nous perdre poids sur ce mélango. Ça va bénéficier belé. So qui kana go taper ka bénéficier green tea. Ça va bénéficier belé. Donc yango wana so na sisi boye. Sikuna kende kotanda bilamba nanga poso na sisi donc bona bana osala makambo susu. Yeah, now I finished to wash my clothes. I put it outside on the line clothes. Then I have to wait. I have one more bucket. I have to wash again. As I said earlier, all my sheets I'm gonna soak it at night. If everyone finished to have a bath, then I'll be wake up early morning to take it from the bath to give everyone any access to have a bath in the morning. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy without washing machine. Then I'm not feeling well. I go cold. I go flu. It's nowhere. It's not easy. Then I'll talk all over. Natenja bilamba na libanda. Na za suba ketumo kwa na sukula susu. Apena tana pe susu ba drara biso batana sunela ko bana chona kati ya ni na bafu ni na salle de bain so batimiso ba suko na poko na butu ndio na ko bana ko chango pona tongo na biso na mkatongo na bimisango pona bana opesa accès na batale bale kana use nini bale kana use nini bale kana use bazwa ba sukola na tongo avant kende classe eza facilité ndio to makasi te moi grippe ezo sala mais najala swate fona sukola bilamba do biso na ndako tozo na grippe ko na mobile na nganga moko pena bana biso don tozo na grippe. All of us in the house we go flu, go cold. We are not feeling well, but we know by the grace of God we'll be fine. That's why I say always if you I would like to just to share with you how I'm struggling without washing machine, with 9 people in the house. Nanga to partager na bino de toza un peu bloqué na machine à laver. Toza 9 personnes ndako machine ezate donc botaka bilamba de tonjo ana pela za pela msuwa ko repasser ezali wana. So nzamba pesinga makasi na forcer te so nzamba pesinga makasi na koyeba na ko sort out na koyeba na aussi sango. As always I say, if you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn notification bell, share my video, like, comment, to support me Kaka TV, to Mimi Kaka TV channel to growing, it's all your support who's gonna make Mimi Kaka TV channel growing. Nera baka question vous s'abonner, vous s'abonner, cliquez sur la notification pour toujours avoir la vidéo nangai, vous partager, vous liker, au monde qui puisse avoir courage ya kuzonga susu kwa kusala la vidéo. En tout cas to partager kaka na mwande naza ko stock linga, naza na washing machine teme e ba ego to sort out to fix na biso. Na mapola na suki sina ngai awa, soki naza sina makamso ko sala bia koloba na ozanga te, to kwa ko partager, boza na kimia nzamba batela bino, abatela pe biso to kuteni bala sima. La pesi mino kaka bye bye.